Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha Srimannarayaniyam. Om Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 69, Shloka 7. Kapi ganda bhuvi sannidhaya nija ganda makulita kundalam punya puranidhiran bhavapatava puga charvitara samrutam Indira Vihruti Mandiram Bhuvana Sundaram Hi Natanantare Tvamavapya Daduranganah Kimuna Sammadonmadadashantaram. Word by word meaning. Punya Puranidhihi, who was a repository of merit. Copy, one woman. Tava Gandabhuvi, on thy cheek. Akulita Kundalam, her earrings dangling. Nijagandam, her own cheek. Sannidhaya, pressing. Puga Charvita Rasa Amrutam, the nectar in the form of the juice from the beetle chewed by thee. Anbhavapa, imbibed. Natanantare, during the dance. Indira Vikruti Mandiram, the playfield of Lakshmi. Bhuvana Sundaram hi, the most beautiful in all the worlds. Tvam, thee. Avapya, getting. Anganaha, the gopikas. Kimu, what kinds of. Sammadon Mada Dashantaram, Sammada, joy. Unmada Dashantaram, states of intoxication, states of ecstasy. Na daduhu, did not attain. Full meaning. One woman who was a repository of merit pressed her own cheek, on which her earrings were dangling, against thy cheek, and imbibed the nectar in the form of the juice from the beetle chewed by thee. Getting thee, the playfield of Lakshmi, the most beautiful one in all the worlds, what states of ecstasy did the Gopikas not reach during the dance? Om Tat Sat.